guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley, and today you're going to be bringing vegan wings to the next Super Bowl party because guess what? No one gets left behind or goes hungry at your party. So this is going to be great for vegans and vegetarians. You're going to have some cauliflower and some pre-made vegan wings. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 head of cauliflower, and that'll be enough for the wing platter because we're also mixing it up with frozen vegan wings. So I'm just going to pull that apart and put them into smaller pieces. So for today's recipe, we're actually using Hot for Foods cauliflower wing recipe. I really like this one because it's not too sticky or doughy. It's just the perfect consistency. You can make these gluten-free by using rice flour or almond flour. Right now I'm just adding my dry ingredients before adding my wet ingredients to the batter. I'm adding a little bit more than what Lauren used just because I sort of want a bolder flavor, but I'll be linking her card right up top. So right now I'm just going to add salt to the seasoning just so it's nice and seasoned, and then we're going to add in the wet ingredients, which is a 1/2 cup of water and a 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And the point is to not have too much of a thick batter or not too thin. You just want the perfect consistency until your cauliflower just coats itself in it. So once your batter is ready, you just want to get a baking tray and parchment paper. You want parchment paper so the cauliflowers do not stick or ruin your baking tray. So right now I'm just gonna put some of the batter into a small bowl and then dip my cauliflower in it and then shake off the excess and then throw it on. So right now you're going to see that I have my Fruffalo wings from Field Roast, and those are going to be our buffalo wings in our wing platter. I have habanero sauce to make a spicy habanero buffalo sauce, and I have guava to make a spicy guava jalapeno barbecue. And right now I'm just adding some garlic into water so I can put the guava paste to dissolve. So for our next sauce, we're going to be doing our habanero buffalo sauce. So I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of vegan butter, melt that, and add the habanero hot sauce. And now that our wings are done, I'm just checking to make sure that everything is nice and crispy. Everything's pretty crispy and done. I have 24 cauliflowers, so I'll be doing 12 guava barbecue and 12 habanero buffalo sauce. So now I'm just gonna put some wings into the bowl, and I'm just gonna coat it in my first sauce. The first sauce I decided to pick was the guava barbecue. It's just one of my favorite sauce. It's so sticky and sweet and gooey, and it's nice and spicy, and everything just really melts together, and it's just one of my favorite things. So with these cauliflowers, you're gonna enjoy how sticky and sweet they are. So right before I put the habanero buffalo sauce onto my wings, we're gonna put them right back into the oven for about 20 more minutes just so they can get nice and crispy, just because if you would just dress them right now, they would get a little soggy. So it's good to crisp them up in the sauce and then add more sauce at the end. And before adding these into the oven, I'm just gonna throw in the fruffalo wings, just so we have 3 different wings for our platter. These are just regular buffalo wings. They're supposed to be in for 15 to 20 minutes in the oven, which is perfect. So now we're just gonna plate our wings. They look so nice and crispy and delicious. We are gonna add some more sauce. I am putting celeries to divide them, just because it goes from mild to spicy and you don't want to burn anyone's tongue. Garnish these with either scallions or sesame seeds, whatever you'd like. Also have some blue cheese or ranch to dip them in. But I hope you really enjoy this and hope you have fun at the Super Bowl party. Bye.